Hi! So, samahan niyo po kami while we conquer the summit of Mount 387 sa Caranglan, Nueva Ecija, and traverse to Aloha Falls. So, we actually arrived late, kaya we started also ascending na late. Kaya maliwanag na, and unti-unti na ring lumilitaw dyan yung araw. And kapag nag-hike ako, I'm always excited to see the sunrise. Kaya usually, sumasabay ako sa pacing ng lead guide. And usually kapag nasa bundok, ginagawa ko yan, nagti-trail run. Though I'm not an expert trail runner. Actually, hindi nga ako mahilig tumakbo. And meron pala kami mga kasama na first timer, beginner hiker. Kaya we really have to take a break para hindi mabigla. And ito yung mga spots where we can take photos. And kung gustong itry dito, need lang ng assistance if meron tayong kasama sa pag-akyat at sa pagbaba. Finally, ito na yung Chocolate Hills of the North as they call it. One of the photo spots na pwede rin, but be careful lang kasi medyo steep na. While we traverse to the Aloha Falls, ito yung madadaanan. But prior to this, meron talagang pinakamahirap na pagdadaanan. Kaya undocumented na siya kasi you're not gonna be able to hold pa yung phone mo. But lahat ng hirap na pinagdaanan, it's all worth it beholding this falls. Kaya kahit gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan during the traverse, lahat worth it. And I'm always grateful for the unique experiences kapag ka nag-hike ako. Hindi ko alam kung papaanong maiintindihan ng karamihan yung sense of fulfillment and sense of a sweet little escape kapag ka nasa nature ako or kapag ka nag-hike ako. But to be able to conquer a summit, to be able to see the beauty of God's creation and to connect with nature, this for me feels really and truly unwinding. So that's it. That's it for our Mount 387 journey. Thank you for watching. Bye!